Hello all, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are safe. So today we will be learning how to integrate ChatGPT with Python. So first of all, we will be creating our account on the ChatGPT website, which is openai.com. So once you go here, and then here you can create your account and get your own API here, which will be using in the Python code to communicate with the ChatGPT. So this code also I have given in the GitHub link below. So once you will reach here, so here you can see that we are importing the libraries like OpenAI, and in the config.ini file we will be pasting our secret API key that is imported in our main code. And here we are taking the input from the terminal and passing it to the ChatGPT model. So now I am running this code. So here we can ask any question. Who is God? God is the creator of universe. So this is how ChatGPT can be integrated in Python. Hope this video helps you in integrating ChatGPT with Python. See you back in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.